Just the flavors, man. Sometimes, like, you just can't talk. You just have to eat and enjoy it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to More Food Tales. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you guys join the family. So guys, today we have a feast. I have not done a sit-down feast in a long time. Usually my videos have been in my car. The last video I did for a Korean feast was basically just Korean fried chicken. Now I picked out my 4 favorite dishes. So I'm gonna quickly go over what we got today. Well, actually 5. So we have some kimchi. We have some tteokbokki right here. We have some yangnyeom, which is just your, I guess, like a sweet and spicy Korean fried chicken. We also have some bulgogi. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right over there. And we also have some jajangmyeon right over here, guys. So this is a feast and I'm excited. It's been a while, guys. So I'm no more talking, guys. I'm done talking because this is calling me right now and I'm gonna get right into this. First things first, I have to try some of the tteokbokki. I actually love this. One of my favorite dishes to eat. Give you guys the first bite. And you know what we say in this channel, big bites only. This is spicy, guys. It is spicy, guys, but it tastes so good. There's so much flavor in this. Wow, that is spicy, but it's so good, guys. So this is some of my favorite Korean dishes that I love to eat. So we have some of that bulgogi. So this is basically marinated beef with some glass noodles, guys. And that looks really good, guys. That is very good. That is seasoned perfectly. If you have not gone out and tried Korean food, guys, you are missing out on some of the best cuisine out there, guys. Like, I mean, that beef was marinated so well. Hope you guys enjoy this feast, guys, because I'm definitely enjoying it. Open up, big bites only. That bulgogi is so good, guys. Perfectly seasoned, guys. I honestly think I need to do a lot more of these sit-down feasts because I was eating good, guys. I mean, I'm still eating good in my car, but sometimes sitting down, being able to eat your food is just so much better. But I love doing it in my cars because the lighting is so much better. I guess so. I'm gonna get some of my jajangmyeon. Okay, I'm gonna mix this around. Okay. The flavors are so, like, they literally just hit you in the mouth, guys. That is really good, guys. And I'm gonna have some of this chicken too, guys, because honestly, I don't know what else to say, guys. I don't know if you can still see the steam coming off of that. I'm definitely gonna be making a mess today, guys, and I'm okay with that. I'm definitely okay with making a mess today because this food, man, Mm. One of these days, I will go to Korea and get the real thing, guys. That's definitely one of my dream destinations, is to go to Korea. Some more of the bulgogi. Just mix and match, guys. I definitely gotta improve my chopstick skills, guys. I love using chopsticks, but I gotta improve them, man. Open up for that bite, guys. Get some vegetables. Oh, this is like, if you guys could just smell what I'm smelling and taste what I'm tasting, it's game over. And have little jalapeno peppers in there. Got some broccoli. Some more of this chicken, guys. Open up. Just the flavors, man. Sometimes, like, you just can't talk. You just have to eat and enjoy it. And I'm definitely enjoying it, guys. Do not sleep on Korean food, guys. Honestly, this bulgogi is so good. Like, the seasoning on this, it's like, they marinated definitely like over 24 hours minimum. So that's very tasty. Ooh, your boy is slowing down now, guys. Let's get some of this chicken. Oh. I know some of you guys like to see me finish my food, but I'll be honest with you, I definitely cannot finish this, guys. It's so good, but I'm getting extremely full right now. But I've done some pretty good damage. The bulgogi is pretty much almost done. As I said, I actually want to save some of this, guys. The jajangmyeon is pretty much done. I have one piece of chicken left, which I'll finish that. And then I have some more tteokbokki here. Some of the best Korean fried chicken I've had, guys, honestly. Oh, yes. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish on my chicken, guys. At least have to finish one thing. That chicken is slapping. That chicken is good, guys. Oh my God. All right. Wow. This food was like a solid 9 out of 10, guys. 9 out of 10, guys. Shoot, 10 out of 10. This was very good. I can't even lie. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button and make sure you guys subscribe and join the family. And one last thing, guys, you already know how it goes. If you're Marved, stay tuned for the next episode. Marved gang.